Update for the gold. So I've been expecting once the price has break through these lows, then a retest of this breaker and then continue lower, right? So basically we break through these lows, retested the breaker and continue lower, right? So it has played very nicely. And what happened then? Then the price has rejected on this low, and actually it touched first time this weekly fair value gap, which I will show you later, right? Then it's going back again into the range high and exactly into the midpoint of this level, right? Because in here it was not touched here, but now we have the contact, right? And again, we are taking these lows, right, and being rejected. However, if we look to the 4 hours, or let me take it to the weekly first, right? So I will take it to this weekly time frame. I will show you where I do think the price is overall going, right? So what's happening in the uptrend, right? So we are basically always breaking the highs and rejecting the lows, right? So here is the low, which would be, in my opinion, rejected. And we have this fair value gap on the weekly in here, which we are touching, but we did not come into the midpoint yet, right? And as you can see, these multiple lows in here, right, they basically, you know, what does it mean? Every break up, you know, more stop losses appears in here, right? So I do think that we will get something like this, right? So anyway, so let's go back down to the 4 hours. And what I want to show you in here is basically look how nicely it is playing in here. I don't say that this is how the market is working always, but that's what we basically have in here right now. So we have the breaker accumulation of the orders to take out the liquidity and then drop below it, right? So then basically it's retested again, right? And then again, we have the accumulation of orders, taking out the liquidity and then drop out again, right? So right now where we are, accumulation, taking out the liquidity, this liquidity, right? And then drop down again, and now we are here again, right? So basically we are here, and if you look always to these highs, you can see how it was always played out, right? So now we don't see it on this time frame, but what's going on in here on the lower time frame, most likely we have some kind of a accumulation, manipulation and sell-off, right? Again, you can see it in here, accumulation, then the highest run, you know, manipulation and sell-off, right? So we have came here right now, and in my opinion, we will be ranging a little bit in here than this possible, right? So this is what I'm looking for on the gold in here. And yeah, I'm basically bearish, and in my opinion, we going down to this 227 levels. So that's my analysis for the gold. Bye bye.